Hello everyone, welcome to the Node.js channel. In this video we have to learn how to implement the TypeScript with the Node.js and Express.js folder for the backend side, and we have to first of all create actually the backend folder. And in this terminal we have to open the terminal. We have to cd backend for the getting in the backend folder, and we have to npm initialize -u for the initializing the package.json. And after that we have to see and the package.json in the backend folder, and we have lots of things in there, but first of all we have to install the packages express first of all, and maybe course and the .env. Actually you don't want to download these things, course or the .env. I just want to explain something for the dependency packages or npm packages for using the TypeScript. I just want to explain all of these things: npm install express course .env. And you can see the dependencies. We have 3 dependencies right now: express.env and course. And after that we have to npm install dev dependency. What is this dev dependency? Dependency is working actually live codes. Okay, dependency is working to deploying code, but dev dependency is just working the developing time dependencies. Don't forget it. Because of this we have to use the TypeScript for the dev dependencies, ts-node and the Nodemon. And after this things we have to say actually, don't forget it, these packages is working non-types. Okay, we have to use these packages with the types. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do the add types / express for the downloading express types, express packages in the types. Okay, actually types in the express packages. Because of that we have to download this whole dependencies .env and the add types .express. Okay, I just want to download the whole dev dependencies. You have to see the dev dependencies. Actually I forgot the express.env express. I just want 2 times, but before for the after before for the going I just want to download the other packages and the types dash course. Yeah, we forgot the course. Okay, we have the course types for the types. Okay, and after that we have to maybe create the folder src folder, and we have to say the server.ts folder create. And after that we have to initialize npx, actually initialize npx and not the npx initialize npx TypeScript-config -- initialize. Actually this is the 3 things. We have to initialize the TypeScript config folder. Okay, we have the TypeScript config, and you can search in the TypeScript config to not the root directory, and where is the other things, meet and out directory. You can see the out directory. Okay, remove these things, and we have to distance folder. What is these meanings is? These meanings is we have to actually convert the TypeScript whole codes to the JavaScript codes. And where we gonna do, and after the converting the TypeScript to JavaScript types, the whole code, and the push the distance folder in this area. Okay, don't forget it. We have to explain after that, after the starting your application. Okay, and we have to say something, maybe import express from express, and we have to import cross-order resource sharing from course, and the import maybe .env from the .env. Okay, and .env .config for the configuration for the using the .env folder, and the constant app. We're gonna create an application. This is the actually application, and this is working to the express, coming from the express actually. Okay, and this application is listening to maybe 4004, and we gonna say it's listening our application 404, our application listening 404. Okay, and maybe app.get for, we maybe should send something for the request and the response, and the request and the response. This is the request coming from the request, and the response is coming from the response actually, and we have to say the response that send something. Okay, welcome this app. Okay, why we have a problem? Okay, we have download the request and the response. Okay, okay, this is working right now, but before for that we have to learn something. Okay, but before for that, actually I just want to say the .env folder. .env folder should be maybe work, should be, sorry for that, not work, port is 4005, and we have to say the 4004. And actually I just want to first of all create the starting our application. Actually I just want to say to start, sorry for that, start if I gonna write, and the what we're gonna say, no, ts node, and the ts dash node is coming from this /src/ the server .js. Okay, it should be working right now, and what we're gonna say, the npm start. Okay, it's listening to 4004. It's our backend folder, upgrading application, starting the ts node in the server.ts. Okay, but before for that we have to say to maybe constant port for using the .env folder, process.env port, or 4005. Okay, save it, and we have to say the port, and we have to say in there for the port, oh sorry, maybe we're gonna say the port. Okay, what we're gonna do, the, if it's working, we have to getting the port 4005, or it's not working, the .env folder is coming from the 4005. Okay, 404 actually. Okay, we're gonna stop our application and the npm start, and it's coming from the 4004 is coming from the .env folder. It's working actually right now. Okay, and don't forget it, we have to create the out directory slash distance. What is this meanings? Actually, when you gonna build this application, you have to see the TypeScript config. Okay, stop our application and the npm run build, and you can check it out this side. When you build this application, you can see the dot slash sorry for that, distance folder. It's creating automatically, and you can see, yes, it's coming from the distance. What we gonna do in this area, we're gonna say, hey, VS Code, this is a TypeScript folder, and you can convert these whole TypeScript codes to the JavaScript code and import the extrude this distance folder in the server.js. Okay, this is the JavaScript folder, this is the server.typescript folder. Don't forget it. If you're gonna deploy it, you have to use this server.js. Okay, don't use the TypeScript in this area when you're gonna deploy it. And after that, how we can implement the Nodemon. This is the basic way. You can use the npm run dev for these things, and the Nodemon, and the dash dash execute. Don't forget to use the execute. This is the same actually other things in this area. What we gonna do in this area, we're gonna say, hey, we're gonna starting our application, but actually sorry for that, this is not true right now, but after these things I want to say something. And they have application, we're gonna start our application with the TypeScript, with the TS node. And why we're gonna use the execute? Because Nodemon is not working TypeScript, it's not recognize the TypeScript. Okay, because of this, we're gonna say to Nodemon, hey Nodemon, we're gonna use the TypeScript. Because of this, you're gonna say that dash dash execute. Okay, don't forget it, don't forget it. And what we're gonna do, npm run dev, we're gonna say the npm run dev, it's working to the it's starting with the Nodemon, our project. Okay, why we're gonna use the Nodemon? Because of this, the when we gonna change something, we're gonna just save it, and our application is automatically restarting. How it's possible? Okay, we're gonna say our app is dash 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 dash. You can, if I save it, you have to change this area. Okay, I just want to save, and you can see restart our application, and you can see our application dash 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 4004. You can see Nodemon is very important for us. And what we're gonna do after these things, I just want to say something in this area. We don't want to use this way. Okay, because of this, it's working to JavaScript is working to the node properties, and we have to say node, okay, that slash distance slash server.js. Don't forget it, because your application, after the building, you have to say, hey, Vercel, or hey, Netlify, or other things, when you're gonna deploy these things, maybe render, maybe Vercel, you're gonna be starting with Node with the JavaScript types. Okay, don't forget it. And after that, maybe you're gonna say the other things. Maybe you're gonna use the middlewares, some like course cross-order resource sharing, something like that, something middleware, some constants, some middlewares, some other requesting routers or controllers. But that is the basic way, actually, how you're gonna be use the TypeScript in the backend folder, how you're gonna be implementation TypeScript to your Node.js and the Express.js folder. Okay, don't forget it. Alright guys, goodbye.